Number 12, which expression is equivalent to x squared plus 11, all of that squared, plus x minus 5 times x plus 5? And we are given 4 options here where like terms have been combined. So we need to create some terms so we can start combining. We have x squared plus 11 all squared plus x minus 5. Whoa, stylus went really wonky there. X minus 5 times x plus 5. Now, there is no harm, no foul in using FOIL and distributing and doing the same up here, writing this out as x squared plus 11 times x squared plus 11, and then using FOIL, distributing that way. You will get the right, the right answer, you'll get the right terms. But you also can use shortcuts if you remember those. If you remember the shortcuts for perfect squares and difference of squares, you can do that. So I'm going to show you what those are. The shortcut for perfect squares says that if I have a plus b squared, it is equal to a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So I can do that with these up here. This is my a, this is my b. So first my a squared x squared squared, x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. 2 times a times b, 2 times x squared times 11. 2 times 11 is 22, times x squared is 22x squared. And then my last term is b squared, so 11 squared is, erase that for room, 121. All right, this one has another pattern, difference of squares. Says when I have this pattern of a minus b times a plus b, it is equal to a squared minus b squared. That is our pattern. A minus b times a plus b. It's such a handy little one to remember, and it's so common for students to forget it, and then the math comes back like, ha-ha! You thought you'd get away with forgetting it, but no, you have to remember it again. Completing the square, another one. If you're doing completing the square in algebra, never forget it. I know it's a pain in the neck. Don't forget it. You'll thank me later. Okay, so a squared minus b squared is my value. So I'm going to do that here. This is my a, this is my b. So my a, x squared, and then I subtract b squared. My b is 5. So minus 5 squared, or 25. All right, everything's been expanded now. I have all my terms, and I can combine like terms. I got an x to the 4th. I don't have any others, so that one stays the same. I have 2 x squareds. I have a 22x squared and a 1x squared. When I add those together, I get 23x squareds. And then I have my constants 121 and negative 25. So 121 minus 25 would be 96. So x to the 4th plus 23x squared plus 96. And sure enough, that BB. And that is my answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.